So I took apart the Hammarlund Super Pro 200. This is the main tuning condenser and coils. As you can see, this is a humongous monster. This is what's underneath the Hammarlund Super Pro 200. As you can see, all these wires need to be replaced. This capacitor here. These are the wideband capacitors, I think. I'm not sure. Let me flip it over so you can see underneath. So this is very interesting. This has a lot of moving parts to change the band. This up here in the front, let me move this around. This knob right here changes the band. And look what's involved every time you want to change to a different band. Look at this. So one band, second band, third band, fourth band, fifth band. Interesting. And inside you will see little, let me see if I can focus in there, little contacts every time you move. Can I see inside? Oh, right there, see that? It makes contact. Come on, focus. Well, there's little contacts in there. See if I can go in there and take a look. What's a good angle? Let me see. Oh, right there. See that down there? So every time you move to the next band, you can see the contacts. So right here, look at this. Isn't that groovy? Up here too. Anyways, these are all the coils. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and replace these cables, these wires here. These go to the grid cap of each tube. Replace this. See, so it crumbles. I think I have some of these little washers somewhere in the shop. So there you go. This is huge. I'm thinking of going ahead and sanding this down or steel wool it and maybe primer it and paint it. I'm not sure yet what I want to do. And this is the little mechanism. Interesting, huh? Big old mechanical device. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful how this is put together. So I'll keep you posted. Just wanted to show you real quick what this big box was. It's the tuning condensers, the coils for all the bands, the band spread, and the dials for the frequency. Start to replace some cables and some wires. I think there are a couple of resistors in there. I want to just check to see if they're within tolerance. Okay, I check the manual. Capacitors, make sure they're not shorted out. There's mica molds. I think there's a couple of silver mica molds in there. Down there, I gotta check to make sure these are not shorted out or opened. I love this. Is all brass or some sort of brass right here. All this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. But this definitely needs to be replaced. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll keep you posted.